Afghanistan, officially the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, is landlocked country located at the crossroad of Central Asia and South Asia, referred to as the Heart of Asia. It is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenis- Turkmenistan to the north, Uzbekistan to the north, Tajikistan to the northeast, and China to the northeast and east, occupying 6,52,864 square kilometer of land. The country is predominantly mountainous with plains in the north and southwest, which are separated by the Hindu Kush mountain range. As of 2021, its population is 40 million, composed mostly of ethnic. Kabul is the country's largest city and serves as its capital. Afghanistan dates back to the Middle Pale- Paleolithic era, and the country's strategic location along the historic Silk Road has led it to being described charcoally as the roundabout of the ancient world, known as the graveyard of empires. The land has historically been home to various people and has witnessed numerous military campaigns, including those by Alexander the Great, the Maurya Empire, Arab Muslims, the Mongols, the British, the Soviet Union, and most recently by an American led coalition. Afghanistan also served as the source from which the Greco-Bactrians and Mughals, among others, rose to form major empires. The various conquests and periods in both an Iranian and Indian cultural spurs made the area a center for Buddhism, Hinduism, and later Islam throughout history. The modern state of Afghanistan began with the Durrani dynasty in the 18th century, with the Durrani Afghan Empire being formed by Ahmed Shah Durrani. The Durrani Empire led conquest in which at its peak encompassed land that spanned from eastern Iran to northern India. Following its decline and the death of Ahmed Shah Durrani and Taimur Shah, it was divided into multiple smaller independent kingdoms, including but no limited to Herat, Kandahar, and Kabul. Afghanistan would be reunited in the 19th century after was unification led by Dost Muhammad Khan, where he con- conquered the independent principalities in Afghanistan. Dost Muhammad died in 1863 weeks after his last campaign to unite Afghanistan, and as a result threw Afghanistan back into civil war with his successors. During this time, Afghanistan became a buffer state in the great game between the British Empire and the Russian Empire. From India, the British attempt to subjugate Afghanistan but were repelled in the First Anglo-Afghan War. However, the Second Anglo-Afghan War saw a British victory and successful establishment of British political influence over Afghanistan.